On this week's show, Bitcoin price, weekly trading results, and the project valuation. Let's do this. So hi, and welcome to episode 15 of Season 2, where I'm investing around £15,000 to see what happens in both a bear market and hopefully the next bull run. It's been a long week this week. The UK has had a bank holiday, which put me immediately a day behind schedule, and although, as I predicted in last week's show, we would see the price going sideways for a while, I had hoped to get into some more trades on my Bitcoin and Ethereum pair. So, in fact, their price did pretty much go sideways, dropping to 19,500 on the 28th, and then bouncing around there for the next 4 days between 19,500 and a high of 25,760. So about a 1k move up and down. The last 3 days has seen Bitcoin hit lower lows, but looking at the chart, you can clearly see the resistance level at 19,558 as the price keeps bouncing off it. But will this continue, or will this support line fail? There seems to be a lot of people out there determined it will not fall lower than that, and so far that appears to be working. Bitcoin is ready to punch upwards, but it will only take some more bad news, and the whole thing could break resistance and fall lower. The Fear Greed Index is again in the extreme fear region, but it could be that all the weak hands have now capitulated. Well, let's hope so, yeah. We still have a way to go until the end of the bear market, and we could see a double bottom in the coming days and weeks, where the price would hit around 17,500. That's all a bit doom and gloom, isn't it? So on a more positive note, let's look at the trading this week. I'm trading Bitcoin Ethereum pairs on Bybit, currently on the spot market only though, so I'm limited to long positions. So where did I open these positions this week? Well, let's have a look at these on the chart. So the buys, in reverse order, on the 3rd of September, we bought in at 0.078422 for about 0.0098 Bitcoin, and we sold that for 0.0994 Bitcoin, a nice little profit. On the 31st, another order for 0.0107 Bitcoin, and we sold that at 0.0109. And then there was a bit of a flurry on the 30th. We bought 0.01176 and sold for 0.12. We bought for 0.0091 and sold for 0092. And finally we bought for 0.0119 and we sold that for 0.122. It wasn't that many orders, I suppose, but all of them won. So we had a 100% win rate. Now, all of the above orders were made using around 20 to 25% of the fund capital, and it really only amounts to about one trade a day, so we really need to speed this up if we're going to make any real money. It would be useful, of course, to short the market. So what I'm going to do is spend another week on spot and test my shorting on paper before moving the whole thing to a margin-based trade and going long and short with a ×3 leverage. This could be a bad move, but of course it could boost the profits by 3 times. When I say moving to paper, what I mean is pretend trading. I'm going to use TradingView, use their paper trading mechanism, and put shorts on to see if they would win or lose without actually risking any capital. All the other trades I do, and the trades I cover on here, are live on Bybit. So let's look at our fund valuation. Okay, so the final results for the week. Our trading is up 15%, which is great. Our crypto, weirdly and strangely, is up 3.16%. Yeah, my stocks, well, they've let us down a little bit there at minus 2.23%. But all in all, the fund is up 1.16%, with a total value of £13,699.66. Looking at that from an ROI perspective, we are now at minus 8.7%, up from minus 9.5% last week, which is all good. Looking at how that all breaks down, we have 2.086 Ethereum valued at 2820. We have 0.129 Bitcoin valued at 2220. Our Ethereum 2 staking, we have 0.275, up slightly from last week because of the interest that we're accruing on that, and that's 37180. And then we have 359 Graph, which is valued at 3191. Looking at our other holdings in the stock market, we can see silver is continuing to fall, and we're down 9.96%. The S&P 500 has just dropped below 0 P&L, which is a little bit of a shame. Tesla continues to fall also. And Amazon is holding in there at 3.10% P&L, our only positive result from the stock market this week. And Lumen is our experimental dividend-paying stock, and I think we got about $20 in there. And that is down 11.18%. Awesome. Okay, so that's it for episode 15. We're doing okay. But, as I always say, upward and onward. Take care, and I'll see you all next week.